Tursus has a plan to make Goa net zero over 2024. We solarize, hybridize. But wait, we need your help. Join the revolution. Give a missed call on 8286938286.
Than the other day. You know that the other day you have to win or you go home. Then, well, these are the knockout competitions. Now we will face a strong side, but will be. My feeling is that will be very equal games, because even in the competition, in the regular season, we drew both games. In fact, they have 2 more points, but the reality is that they got the same points than us. They have 2 more because the mistake of Yanchetko. But I think that usually the games that I played, not only this season, former seasons against Mumbai, are good games. Tactically, they are a good team with good players, individual good players as a collective. Always, I also. And let's see. But I think that we are in a good moment. And again, it's a game that can be. It's not a game of 90 minutes. It's a game of at least 180 if there is no extra time. Then we need to manage all these situations. When you are winning, when you are losing, when nothing is happening during the game, we need to manage all the situations.